How to disable cash sweep on Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to disable cash sweep on Robinhood quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood on your phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log in to your account. After you log in, tap on account icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on this three line on the top left corner and click on settings. Scroll down and find cash sweep under your account features. Tap on it. Inside the cash sweep section, look for the options to opt out or disable cash sweep. Tap it and confirm your choice. Robinhood might show you a quick summary, review it and confirm to officially disable the cash sweep feature. And that's it. This is how you can disable cash sweep on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.